Hello Libras, welcome to your zodiac reading. So this is going to be for July 1st to the 15th for you. We're going to be looking at the current situation, and if that resonates with you, then the outcome would also resonate. I'll be closing the reading off with a couple of oracle cards from the universe. So, and also while watching, please remember this is a general reading, it may or may not resonate with you. So, please take what resonates and leave what does not. Let's begin. Let's see what's going on with you, Libra. What's going on with Libras? Okay, let's see what's going on with you. 10 of Cups, Page of Wands, and 9 of Cups. Okay, so I think you're going through a battle where you are deciding whether you want a 10 of Cups scene or you don't. Libras, I feel that you want to be in this immature energy. You don't want to take up responsibilities at this point. I'm sorry, I shouldn't be using the word immature energy, but yeah, I'm seeing that you want to be in this energy. You don't want to explore too much. You don't want to do too much of things. I'm seeing you want to be casual. You just want to be happy. Okay? And I don't think you want to have that picture perfect family at this point. So maybe people could be pushing you to do this, but from inside you don't want it. And you're very clear about that. Also, I'm seeing with the 9 of Cups that you're happy. You want to be happy. Simple. That's the energy that you're in. You don't want any complication in your life. Let's clarify these cards. 10 of Cups. Ace of Wands. Magician. Nine of Cups. The Hanged Man. You just want to be here, as I said, because you're feeling comfortable here. I see the Ace of Wands here. I think a renewed energy is existing in you right now. You feel fresh, you feel active, and you want to stay in the spot. You don't want to let go of this. You don't want to let go of this space that you've reached. You are comfortable, you're happy, and you really want to give this a shot. Whatever this thing is, it's inspiring you in a lot of ways. But again, I think there is a battle in your mind. You're thinking whether I should commit to this or I shouldn't. However, it's inspiring me, I don't know. So, those are the thoughts that are lingering in your mind right now. Because I feel that okay, I've reached a comfortable spot after so long and I don't really want to let go of this. So you don't want to actually let go of this and you want to be there, and that's the decision. Maybe from 9 you have to move to 10. So the thing is, can you move to 10? That's the decision that you need to take. So if this resonated, let's look at what's coming in the next 15 days for you, July 1st to the 15th. Okay, let's see. The Tower, The Emperor and Five of Wands. A significant man will cause some problem in your life. I am seeing that if you don't decide, this person might blow things off and leave, or something like that. I see a major shake-up in your life in the next 15 days. Something will happen or something will crumble. But it's like a reality check in your life. That's what I'm seeing. Okay, let me clarify this. What is the Tower about? Five of Swords. Some truth, some sort of a lie is going to come to light, and it will be like a bubble bursting moment. Emperor. The Devil. Five of Wands. Ten of Wands. Yes. I think you will understand the truth behind some situation, and you will really know where is this heading, and you might take a call or something. You might understand this situation more clearly in a broader way, and you would know exactly what to do next here. So that clarity is coming in you, and you would not actually want to risk it anymore in your life. That's the energy that I see you in. You don't want to risk things in your life. You want your life to be a little smooth now. That's why I said that where you are, you're happy over there. But some sort of a lie will come to light in these 15 days in your life. Okay? So let's see what is the advice for you, Libra, here. Horus, Cosmic Gateway. Your thoughts are magnetic and powerful. Miraculous changes are occurring. Yes. So I think you have done some work on yourself. You've tried to figure things out for yourself. And I see you feeling much better. Okay? And that's the reason why so many things are happening right now in your life. So you've probably done some work on yourself. You've allowed the change to happen. And when you actually open the gates for something, it's only then when you know that okay, something is working for you or not. Okay, let's get one more card. So yes, I think that's the reason why these things are blowing apart. Maybe a belief system, a fake promise, or something that you might just get a gut feeling about, and you would know. Okay, let's see what else. What is the advice for you here? Okay, I have 3 cards. Healed Ouch, Solitude, and Stuck in the Mud. So you will keep being here if you don't heal yourself. That's the energy that I'm seeing for you. You will keep feeling stuck. The point is that sometimes you have this habit of dwelling in illusions. You have to come out of that habit, Libras, because that could be a factor that is stopping you from growing. Okay? Alright, so that is what I have for you guys. Libra, let me know in the comments if this resonated with you. You can follow me on Instagram. It's Mishi Blue Tarot Official. I do daily 3 card readings over there. These are energy check-ins. So you can check me out over there and you can follow me there. Private readings are open, so you can reach out to me. Let me know in the comments if this made sense and if it gave you the clarity that you're seeking. Take care. Bye.